Having a lot of fun on YouTube. YouTube is really a community. It's a platform that allows community to grow. One way to achieve that, and one way to participate in that, is to share other people's content, their projects, their videos, their messages. So one way to accomplish that, one method of doing that is relatively effortless, would be to go through your YouTube history, the list that YouTube keeps of the videos that you've watched, like your already watched playlist basically, and then set scheduled posts on your community tab. So most people's YouTube channel has the community tab, or has the option to use the community tab. Once you've been on YouTube for a little bit, they turn that on, and you can post basically like a blog, like you can post quite a few, much longer than a tweet post or whatever, but you can post some text, you can post links in there, you can attach an image or a link, or of course you can attach the post to a YouTube video and then post that immediately. But you can also schedule those posts, and that's a real powerful tool, and that's what we're really talking about in this video. So what I did is I went through my YouTube history and I found a bunch of videos from people that I like and I watch, videos that were interesting, and I opened those up in new tabs or new windows on my screen, and then I went over to my YouTube channel, went to that community tab, and for each of those videos that I opened, I'm creating a post. So I'm adding the title, usually the title of the video, and then some description from their video or from the website that they might have been interviewing somebody with or talking to. But I try to create some interest or some information about what we're linking to, as well as create some keywords so that when the YouTube system tries to understand what it is I'm posting here, it knows who to send that to, who's going to be interested in it, and how to categorize it for searches. And then of course link to the video, and then go down and schedule it. So instead of just posting it immediately, I schedule them out into the future. Now, to be honest, I did this a while back, and I'm editing this video weeks after I did this, so I'm not sure if I was going through and putting certain things on certain days, but that's certainly a strategy you could use. Randomly posting things, both on random days and of random topics, is certainly another strategy you could use. So my recommendation is everyone has a YouTube history. I think, well, everybody has one. Whether or not you have it visible for you is one thing. I think you can turn it off. I leave it run because it doesn't cost anything. It's not necessarily visible to the world, I don't think, but it is part of your own YouTube control panel or YouTube menu there. And when you flip over to it, you'll see all the videos that you've looked at. We have another video being posted about if you might want to think about editing some of the videos out of there, because that's one of the ways YouTube decides what to show you, what they think you like, is what you have watched is what they assume you like. But go through that history list. That's an easy way to watch or to get reminded of things that you've already seen, and you'll remember if it's something that was worth recommending to your people that watch your stuff, or just to the internet, because you're posting this stuff on your channel. So certainly people that, I keep saying certainly in this video, so the people that watch your video or watch your channel will see it. When a community post goes live, I believe it shows up just like a video in people's feeds, but it's also posted on your channel. So it's there just like a video with all those keywords doing their thing. So when someone goes out there and searches for something, I'm just watching Wheeled and Well Armed just went by on the screen as I'm narrating here. If I have some keyword in there and my larger channel helps get his video in front of somebody, that's really the point. So remember that anyone's welcome to be part of the community. There's lots of different ways to participate. This is an attempt to explain a way to participate. If you'd like to leave some comments with suggestions or tips and tricks that apply to this one or other ideas on how to use YouTube, let us know in the comments. We're looking forward to it. Thanks for watching. So let us know what you think. We'll be watching the comments wherever you find the video, over on gunstreamer.com or on guntube.org. Thank you for supporting our projects. If you'd like to buy us a cup of coffee, check out our Patreon channel.
The guys and gals of gunwebsites.com encourages you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thank you for watching gunwebsites.com.